Afternoon, everybody. Greg Cantore here. Got me another cold beer in my hand. Snow's still coming down here in Rockport on the riverbank. Right there's the Ohio River. We got a 4.5 foot snowdrift right here. Wind's been blowing upwards of 20 miles an hour. They got the Natcher Bridge shut down going to Owensboro because its son of a gun snowed over. It's pretty harsh right now, these conditions. I mean, I got winter gear on. Normally, I'm out here in flip-flops and cut-offs and wife-beater shirts and stuff, and I got the insulated Carhartt from LL Bean on today because it's a cold. It's a cold. I'm putting the beer in the oven to de-thaw it so I can drink it and enjoy it. But this forecast really ain't a forecast. I'm just going to comment to you people who are praying at home, who've been praying for the last couple of days for snow because you really like snow and you love snow and you want to go sledding and having snowball fights and making snowmen and you love the prettiness of it. I'm going to ask you, please quit praying for snow. I don't want no more snow. If you want to do something nice and appropriate and wholesome and you want to pray for stuff, hey, I'm all for that. Pray, pray, pray. But when you come into my neck of the woods and you all start praying and all that gets going, I really dislike this snow. So if you all want to do me a favor, when you hunker down tonight and you turn your thermostat up to 90 so you can warm up from all this cold stuff and this snow stuff, say a prayer. Say a prayer for Greg Cantore. Greg Cantore's asking for prayers. Pray that this snow melts, that the sun comes out, and it turns to 95 degrees outside with 75% humidity, and that there's a white sand beach, and that there's a bottle of rum and a big glass of ice. That right there would be a prayer I would really appreciate if y'all want to pray for something. Because I'm personally sick of y'all praying for this white stuff that's falling from the heavens. I've had enough. I really have had enough. So, Ramon.